Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? So,
That stuff right there is fire, though, man.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, I didn't even listen to it first. I played shout out to Kimbo, man. This
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, I got that at the dealer. You know, so free.
Tell you what, man, let's put this number
Yeah.
down right here on the spot, man. Alright?
Can't stop music. Y'all be up in the
Oh,
same.
man, he's feeling it.
Yeah, I'm getting money, so them haters make me shoot the coaster. Spray that thing and have these niggas wetter than the super soaker. Listen, the moon is over, so lose your vacancy. These niggas flow minor. Me, I'm pitching in the major league. It's no faith in me, and you should pay a fee for even rapping like you gangster, trying to claim you G. This ain't AUG, but we ain't teaching knowledge, but to open your brain like a technical college. These are veteran scholars at pushing for pound, round for round, battle for battle. I murder town for town. You better pray you drown, cause if I catch you, it's gonna feel like you was burnt on fire and buried underground. It sounds funny now until the flames hit you. That's about as you trapping and letting lanes get you. We shoot the same, but we don't bleed the same. You might have came fresh, but I promise you won't leave the same. Oh yeah, they seem the same. Like I done lost my head, I got them still. Look down, stupid, look, you done lost your leg. And we ain't party bread, but you have real and half snitch. You have man and half, you have and half. So whether you hermaphrodite, a straight fag, or half switch, what you prefer? The drive clutch or grab stick? Who are you, Mr. or Mrs. Angelina or Brad Pitt? This is some bad acting. You the rap slick, but you beating me is more amusing than a magic trick. Just imagine this, you know I go hard and rap, spit the type of flows that make them ooh and have heart attacks. You wearing starter caps, I know these mad I'm nice, and you can stop blaming God. I got this from my afterlife, and I spit for days and I won't even pass the mic. I can't stop sinning. I'm tricking with the pastor's wife, and I've been going hard, working up an appetite, and you've been going hard and spitting flows that only, like, yikes. And I'm blowing on that Viper. And you like them young girls on that Piper tip. I be on the roof in D.C. on that sniper tip. You be on that step, baby daddy changing diaper tip. So how you gon' blame me for y'all flow being whack? I think it's time to change beats. And I'm the same beast working as the middleman. I got packing heat the same size as little man. Don't ask about dividends, cause I ain't letting up. Pockets like the Georgia lottery, cause I got mega bucks. They can't get enough. They beg and make the pain stop. They leave holes the same size as Flavor Flav clock. I've been to Bangkok. Fuck with the... Once you gon' kill yourself and you need me to pull the... Either that or you could pop your chest out. But like Jada Kiss said, knock yourself out. Wow. I'm feeling like a boxer, no doubt. Slap your tongue down your throat and knock your teeth out your mouth. Wow. So please don't let my inner demon out. Yeah.
Wow.